All right, quick review on greatest common factor factoring review. So factoring is writing a polynomial as a product, something multiplying. And so when I have something that has subtracting, I want to write that as a product. I'm looking for the big number. What's the number they share that goes into both? That's 4. And they both share that x. And take the least x. And then you divide. So 4x squared divided by 4x. Maybe I should have put it underneath. So if I put it underneath, maybe you'll see it. So 4x squared divided by 4x. So 4 divided by 4, that's 1. And then subtract the exponents. And do it again here. Negative 8 divided by 4. When you subtract the exponents, there's no x's, and you've done it. All right, let's try another one. This fly is going to get me. I got 2 flies now coming at me. Oh boy. Okay, so what am I doing? Let's try another one. All right, write this down. So what's the largest number that both share? And that number is 20, goes into both. So we're going to factor out 20. That's called the greatest common factor. And then I'm going to divide. So 20x squared divided by 20 is 1x squared. 40 divided by 20 is 2. And you did it. Now, you can multiply and see if when you multiply, does it equal what it was before? All right, let's look at another example where we're going to factor out. So here we have 4x squared plus 6x plus 8. Write it down. You got to look at 3 numbers. What do they all have in common? So 2 goes into all of them. So we factor out a 2. That's what it's called. And we divide to see what's left. So 4 divided by 2 with an x squared. 6 divided by 2 with an x. 8 divided by 2. That's 4. And there you go. That's what it means to factor out a greatest common factor. All right, one more example here. So here's your last example. So 12x cubed plus 16x squared. I want to factor this. What number does 12 and 16 both share? What's the biggest number that goes into both? So 2 does, but there's a bigger number that they both share, which is 4. And then take the least x and join it with 4. And then we're going to divide. So 12 divided by 4, and then subtract the exponents. 16 divided by 4. When you subtract the exponents, it's 0, so it means no x's. And you did it. All right, Mr. G Math, over and out. Good luck.